Hello, do you want to know the 6 tips for your kitchen design that can make your kitchen most elegant and more functional? Then this video is for you. Or you're planning for a kitchen renovation, then these tips will help you to create your dream kitchen. Hi, I am Siddhesh 𝐏𝐿𝐿. For those who don't know me, I am an interior designer, consultant and expert and founder of 𝐏𝐞𝐫𝐬𝐨𝐬𝐿 Interiors and creator of Vakrtunda Stage. Having 12 years of expertise in designing beautiful homes, and I am on the mission to help and guide 1000 plus of people who are looking for a great interior service and product. Subscribe to our video link below, and in this video I will share you the important 6 tips that will help you to plan and design your most loving space, that is kitchen. If there is one thing in the pandemic has taught us, is that the kitchen is the most important part of our home, where we can share, nurture ideas through beautiful recipes of food, right? So it is important to design the kitchen in the most elegant and minimalistic way. If you have any questions after watching this video, or you need any specific advice to achieve your kitchen design and function, please let me know in the comment section below. So here we go with the important 6 tips for kitchen design. So please watch this video till end. So tip number 1, function first. Whether it is U, C or L shape of kitchens, plan for the sink, fridge and gas hob to form a triangle with not more than 6 feet space for easy movement, because the triangle represents the traffic flow within a kitchen. Ideally, creating a rotational movement between the task of cooking, that is stove, chopping and peeling, that is nearby sink, and storage, that is we do in the refrigerator. So that's why the planning of the kitchen is so much important, because it improves the function of your space. So tip number 2, avoid empty spaces. Put overhead cabinets right up to the ceiling rather than leaving a gap on the top, because that collects the dust. Also consider deep drawers for easier access to the pots and pans. But avoid cabinets for this type of storage, because they can be difficult to operate. So please avoid more empty spaces. So tip number 3, put light. In the kitchen, you should avoid light behind you, as it will cast a shadow on the workplace. So you need to be positioned so that the light can fall in front of you. Like you can have lights under cabinet. Also, you can have lights in the ceiling above the countertop, so that they will shine directly on the countertops. So tip number 4, clean the air. A range hood chimney helps to ventilate the cooking orders. Having chimney inside your kitchen will prevent the tiles and the walls from getting dirty due to the smoke and the fumes created from the cooking. But if you have a chimney, this will be prevented. So buy one that is efficient, quiet and ventilated outside. So tip number 5, use light color scheme in your small kitchen. Dark color schemes can shrink an already small space and make it less inviting. So use soft shades on the kitchen cabinet to visually expand a small room. But you can use a darker shade in the bigger space, but with a limited access. And here goes the last tip, that is tip number 6, that is ensure the safety first. Make your kitchen as safe and family friendly as possible by planning for a good visibility to other rooms, and cooking worktop having round edges, slip resistant floor and ovens located at adult height to minimize the chances of accidental burns. So remember, if you have any questions about the design, please let me know in the comment section below. I will personally respond to all your questions. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like and share to the people who you think need the most, and most importantly, subscribe to our channel. See you next time and have a pleasant interiors.